Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today, we will learn about phrasal verbs. Walk away, meaning survive a challenging or dangerous situation without any harm. For example, the football team walked away with a 1-0 victory. Walk away from, meaning abandon or leave the situation. For example, he decided to walk away from his job after expressing much dissatisfaction with his boss. Walk into, to accidentally hit a part of your body against something when you are walking. For example, I walked into a table and got a nasty bruise. Walk in on, after suddenly or unexpectedly while something is happening, to intrude or interrupt by entering. For example, he accidentally walked in on me while I was rehearsing. Walk into, fall into a trap, especially one that could have been avoided with more care. For example, you really walked into that, didn't you? Walk it off, recover from a minor injury or digital a large meal by walking around. For example, it doesn't feel too bad, let me walk it off. Walk out, go out with, to be romantically involved. For example, this maidservant has been walking out with the butcher's man. Bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.